Welcome once more, guys, to my YouTube channel, and yet to another edition of News in the Caribbean, more so in Grenada with some update about coronavirus and this is the situation right now. Clouden calls for COVID-19 shutdown again. Attorney at law Anselm Clouden has repeated a call for the Keith Mitchell-led government to immediately close Grenada's borders to protect the island from the deadly COVID-19 disease. Speaking to the New Today on Sunday, Clouden said that the island needs to take a look at what is happening in Europe, where the British government was forced to impose travel bans on Denmark due to a new strain of the deadly coronavirus. He said the UK had to move to effect the ban on non-UK citizens coming from Denmark amid concerns over a new coronavirus strain that has spread from the mink animal to humans. According to the outspoken lawyer, there was really no need for the Keith Mitchell-led government to reopen the Maurice Bishop International Airport, MBIA, to international flights, as this can lead to increasing COVID-19 cases in Grenada. There is a transmission going on, with a replication of the virus from animal to human back to animal. This is why there has now been an imposition by the United Kingdom. Persons from Denmark are prohibited from visiting the United Kingdom, he said. England is locking down. What we doing with British flights? What we doing with American flights coming in here when this pandemic is out of control in America? This pandemic is not going away anytime soon, he added. British Airways and Virgin Atlantic have since announced a 1-month suspension of flights to Grenada. Clouden noted that the COVID-19 situation is extremely bad in some parts of the United States, like Colorado, where hospital beds for victims are limited and not enough ventilators to treat infected persons. Let us live within our means right here. Life is more important than livelihood, he said. The British government is allowing UK citizens to return home from Denmark, but will have to isolate along with all members of their household for 14 days, which came into effect on Saturday. Reports speak of widespread outbreaks of coronavirus in mink farms in Denmark. The mutated strain of the coronavirus that has spread to humans has triggered culls of millions of mink across Denmark, and a lockdown in some parts of the country. More than 200 people have been infected with strains related to mink, according to reports. Mink kept in large numbers on farms have caught the virus from infected workers, and in a small number of cases, the virus has crossed back from mink to humans, picking up genetic changes on the way. The coronavirus, like all viruses, mutates over time, but there is no evidence that any of the mutations pose an increased danger to people. The World Health Organization, WHO, has said it is too early to jump to conclusions. As on 8th of November, total number of cases in Grenada was 32, with 5 active cases and 27 recoveries. One of the 4 restaurants that were visited by Grenada's latest COVID-19 cases was unable to provide health officials with a visitor use of service logbook for contact tracing purposes. Thus, the memory of staff and the individuals are the alternative means to contact persons who were at this establishment. 38 people are currently in quarantine awaiting COVID-19 PCR testing because of the breach done by the latest COVID-19 cases, one of whom is a medical doctor. Charles said the 2 are displaying mild to no symptoms and they are in a government quarantine facility. The 2 people, who are 53 and 65 years respectively, were in home quarantine when they breached the regulations while awaiting the result of their second PCR test. They tested negative upon arrival at the Maurice Bishop International Airport, MBIA. Breach of COVID-19 quarantine regulations is a criminal offense and carries a maximum fine of 10,000 East Caribbean dollars or 6 months imprisonment. St. George's University's SGU priority is to align with Grenada's government on all the public health measures that will keep its residents safe and healthy amid the global pandemic. St. George's University wishes to confirm that none of the recently reported cases of COVID-19 are SGU employees, faculty, or students on our True Blue campus. Thank you for watching this video this far. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel in order to be updated about any video I will be posting. Hopefully, see you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.